Hello dear students, welcome you all for this video lecture. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss about the different classification of or the causes of drug addiction. In the previous classes, we have discussed about the what is drug and what are the addiction of drug. In our previous classes, we are discussed about the drug. These are the different type of chemical substance which will be available in the form of tablet, capsule or pills. Now, there are in the previous class we have discussed about the what are the main reason of the addiction. There are some reasons are psychic dependence, tolerance, physiological dependence. Now, in this video, we are discussed about the what are the causes of drug addiction. माने ए जो ड्रग एडिक्ट हबार अभ्यासरत हबार कौन सबू कारण रही अछि व्हाट आर द कॉजेस माने कौन विभिन्न प्रकार कारण कौन कौन कारण रही अछि जनरली हमर गोटे ड्रग एडिक्ट हबार तो देखो पिले स्टार्ट करिवा तो एटा बहुत सिंपल जिंस प्राय परीक्षा रे आसे शॉर्ट नोट रे आसे तो सेति पय बोली कि एटा हम पढिया पडुची ड्रग एडिक्शन तापर हम देखिबा क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ ड्रग ओके देखिबा हेबे वर्तमान व्हाट आर द कॉजेस ऑफ ड्रग एडिक्शन कौन कॉजेस आसला द फर्स्ट कॉज इज द क्यूरियोसिटी व्हाट इज क्यूरियोसिटी इट इज नथिंग बट इट हैव टू पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ टेस्ट एंड द इफेक्ट ऑफ द ड्रग्स if a person will be newly start by taking the different type of chemical substance narcotic substance will be started and it will be to have the personal experience let's think about a person that is the means I will take a drug or the chemical substance and I have the personal experience and I can say to the others and can give a pressure to take this drug. This is the curiosity. Next asla kon temptation. What is temptation? आकर्षण हबा tempted हबा tempt माने कोन गुडी जिंस जण को देखि कि हमें विभिन्न प्रकार जनरली the right things and the good things will be learned slowly but the bad things will be taken or this learn speedily generally in our society तो गोटे भल जिंस हमें कहबा से सब जिंसटा को करिया पे एक्सेप्ट करिया पे बहुत टाइम लागि जाय बा सेटा को एक्सेप्ट करिया पे बहुत समय लगे सेटा के एक्सेप्ट करत नहीं बट गोटे खराब जिंसटा को लोक माने वेरी अट्रैक्ट होती और इन दिस टाइम पीरियड ऑफ एडोलसेंस आमे जोड़ा पढिथिले इन द टाइम पीरियड ऑफ एडोलसेंस द यंग वंस कैन गोज फॉर द रॉन्ग रूट से माने रॉन्ग रूट को जाय तो बाय different type of advertisement dekhandi or by different type of films or by using number of mobiles and the different type of advertisements and the different type of advertisement रे देखांती बा विभिन्न प्रकार सोशल सामाजिक परिवेश रे सोजा देखि से माने कोन करते जनरली दे विल बी गो फॉर द रॉन्ग रूट तो व्हाट इज टेम्पटेशन I can give one example that is in the different so many advertisement film advertisement and different type of board advertisement or in case of your area different advertisement kon kanti let's take one example that is the one dio गोटे डीओटार आम यूज करने बहुत गुड़ा एग्जांपल देखा जाते सेटा देखा पर यंग वंस मैंने कौन कहते हाँ मत से जिनसा आवश्यक माने से जिन प्रति तार आकर्षण भाव गला आकर्षित है सेटा भी सी अट्रैक्ट कला दैट इज द टेम्पटेशन तो ये जो प्रकार टेम्पटेशन द्वारा कौन होची it is inspiration from the friends about the good feelings and the different type of advertisements ये जो temptation कौन कहला if in the friend circle of the young ones if one friend will be used any drug either it is a tobacco or by alcohol or by any substance or by any chemical substance or by any medicines they suggest to the another friend to take this and they have the lot of very good feelings and have the more power lot of bad things are telling them as a good things so the another person or the another boy or the girl will be tempted about that and they also started this and this is the one type of temptation that means जने सांग अछि से बहुत गुडे जिंस यूज करछि सेही जिंसटा को खराब जिंसटा को ताको भलो भाबे बुझेगी ताको कहला नाइ सांग देखो यही सब जिन यूज करने द्वारा मत बहुत गुड फिलिंग्स होती मत बहुत जिन किसी गोटे एक्टिव लगुच यही प्रकार कहवा द्वारा सी गोटे थर वन्स यूज कला सेकेंड टाइम यूज कला थर्ड टाइम इमिति बारंबार बारंबार यूज करने पर प्रति टेम्पटेशन आकर्षण है ये कौन मो सांगटा ये भल हो से जिनटा सी कौन कला बारंबार बारंबार यूज करने फल से प्रति अट्राक्ट होगी से जिनटा अभ्यासरत कला जोटा कि दिस इज बैड फॉर देयर हेल्थ एंड बैड फॉर द सोसाइटी एंड बैड फॉर दैट पर्सन बट in this time period it will be taken. So this is the another reason of temptation. It is the inspiration from the friends about good feelings and the advertisement. See जो सांग मानक भीतर in the friend circle they will be telling about the good things about that product and the different type of advertisement. It also the cause of the drug addiction. Next one is the frustration and depression. To overcome from the personal frustration and depression, let's think about if in a life there will be so many pressures, so many frustrations, so many depressions in a person, like in this childhood things or in your study things, there will be a lot of pressure like exam pressure, homework pressure, different type of work pressures are there. In the different peoples there have the different personal depressions. To overcome say जो depression रू बाहरिबा पाई to overcome from this depression and frustration the peoples can use different type of drugs and it is the one type of causes of addiction also. तो देखो कौन कहला पहले frustration and depression. To overcome from the personal frustration and depression, personal frustration और depression रू दूर होगा पाई माने से जिनस रू बाहरिबा पाई एटा मध्य हमर जनरली किछटा ड्रग समान को अभ्यास कर दियंती देखिथिबो जनरली इन दी माने general case we can view that in some peoples can use the different type of tobacco alcohols because if you can ask them why you take this they tell that there will be a lot of tension lot of depression lot of work pressure so that I can take it smallly and the small things will be started as large as and more it will be time to time it will be addicted by the peoples. So it is the one type of drug addiction. What the causes of drug addiction? The next one is the feeling insecurity. What is feeling insecurity? If in a home or in a area or in a particular institution, if a person feeling insecure, loneliness, it also feeling they will be feeling insecurity, then they will start taking the different type of drugs. Or if a person will be have the not from the sleep proper at a time, they will be start the different type of medicines taking for the sleeping medicine, sleeping pills. It can also causes the addicted. So कौन कहला feeling insecurity to take refuge of the drugs when the children found them lonely. जदि छुआ माने निजो निजे से माने कौन खाते लोनली माने सिंगल पाती सेमानों की पचारती ना बा से एते सोशल आमर सेमानकर पारिपार्श्व संगे मिशंती ना लोनली फील करती व्हेन दे विल बी अनलव्ड एंड इनसिक्योर इफ दे एनी टाइम दे विल बी स्कोल्ड बाय द पेरेंट्स और बाय द सोसाइटी और बाय देयर फ्रेंड्स एंड रिलेटिव्स they will be feel insecure and they will be start getting the different type of drugs and it will be the main causes of the drug addiction also. Next one is the excitement and adventure. What is excitement? We can view in our different type of advertisement that if we can take this drug or that drug or A drug or B drug or something, they will be give excitement to us and it gives a relax and gives a feelings like a very good feelings. These are the different type of excitement in the time period. By taking the we can go for the doing the works that will be affect to our health. तो ये जो एक्साइटमेंट हवा फल मध्य आमर किछटा ड्रग आमको कौन कर दिए एडिक्टेड कर दिए. व्हाट इज एक्साइटमेंट एंड एडवेंचर? टू सैटिस्फाई द फीलिंग्स, टू सैटिस्फाई आवर फीलिंग्स. That means in this time period, in the adolescence period, we can do the things that will be harm to us, but we can for the excitement or for our feelings, we can do these things. So by doing these things for the fulfill our excitement or by the fulfill our feelings of excitement and adventure through illegal drugs, the young people look for the excitement work. So that the different peoples like in one Film is about the excitement and adventure. That is, in case of in Hindi film is that is the Sanju, and in this case the different type of drugs will be taken by the Sanjay that at the time of young ones. So this is the best example for the excitement. They will be take it for the excitement, for the loneliness, or to relieve from the depression, but it will be addicted by their body. And if once it will be addicted to that body, then we cannot live without the drug. So this is the one type of excitement and adventure. Next one is the relief from pain. This is the general thing. If a person will be, or a old age person or any person will be suffering from the any type of diseases, or the suffering from any type of pain, or it will be accident and they will be relief from the pain, they will be taken a drug for the prolonged time period. It will be addicted by the body and they will be taken that drug continuously. So what is relief from the pain? To get relief from the pain of specific disease, I can tell you the specific disease, but a particular disease ପାଇଁ ଯଦି ସେ କିଛି ଆମର drugs intake କରୁଛନ୍ତି specific disease, but persist or prolonged, but ସେଇ जो ଜିନିଷଟାକୁ ରୋଗ ଛାଡ଼ିଲା ପରେ or cure ହେଲା ପରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ସେ disease ପରେ ମଧ୍ୟ ଆମେ ଯଦି ସେଟାକୁ ବାରମ୍ବାର intake କରୁଛେ, ତାହେଲେ ସେଇଟା ଆମ ବଡିକୁ drug addicted ହେଇଯାଏ ଏବଂ for the prolonged ମାନେ ଲମ୍ବା ସମୟ ଯାଏ ବହୁତ ଦିନ ପର୍ଯ୍ୟନ୍ତ ଯଦି ଆମେ ୟୁଜ କରିବା, it makes the personal addicted. That means the person will be addicted by this drug, or this is the another type of causes of drug addiction. Next one is the family history. What is family history? If in our family, if our young ones or our parents, if any parents or the young ones or young brother or the sister will be take intake of different type of tobacco, alcohol, or any type of substance, drug substance, then it will be taking by the young ones, then it will be addicted by that person. So देखो कौन करा family history. The use of the drug by the senior members in our family, like the senior members, if any brother, sister, or by any parents will be take the any type of tobacco or alcohol, it may causes or something like ओडिया रे हम कोन कजे जो पान बोली कोते सेटा जदी खाउछन्ती तांगर जो छोट पिला माने गोटे थरो दे थरो सेटा खान्ती तापर धीरे धीरे सेमानकर मध्ये अभ्यासरत हो जाए. So to use of the drugs by the senior member of the family becomes integral by the stimulant for the young ones to be addicted. এইটা ফলরে আমার যদি young ones or the senior portion of our family member, if they can be used by the different type of drugs, it will be affect to the young ones or this young ones who they will be take by this drug. This is the any family history. Next one is the availability of the drugs. There are so many drugs which will be stimulant or depressant drugs which will be available in our medicine shop easily without the prescription. Without prescription, the different drugs will be sold by the medicine store, but it will be illegal because it will be government will be given a criteria to see the the prescription, then you can give the medicines to the person. But for their selling purpose, for their money purpose, they will be give that different type of drugs without prescription, so that the young ones can go for the medicine shop and they can take the different type of tablets, capsules, or the different type of drugs from the medicine, because it will be easily available. So it will be also the availability of drugs, some of the drugs easily available in the counters, so people start using it so that the young ones can use the different type of medicines or the drugs, and it will be addicted by that body. The next one is the social customs. What is social custom? In our society there are lot of social festives are there. In some festives, some peoples can firstly starting to take the different type of drugs, narcotic drugs like cocaine. In the different type of festives it will be used by that, and it will be tell that it is the prasad of the different gods, so that it will be started feeding and it will be affected by the, or it will be addicted after some days. So what is social custom? Drugs used in the festival as customs. In the different type of festivals, the different type of drugs can be used. So this is also the one type of addicted, or this type of this is the one type of social custom, is the another type of causes of drug addiction. So these are the different causes, what are the causes of drug addiction ame padithile drug kon janthile, what are the causes of drug addiction dekhthile, what are the types of mane why the people can take the drug dekhthile ame psychological physiological tolerance so dekhthile tapar next dekhile ame causes of drug addiction. After the complete of the causes of drug addiction we are going for the classification of drugs, different classification of drugs, then the alcoholism, then after this topic will be or the chapter or the unit will be completed in the last in the more 2 or 3 videos. Okay, thank you students, you first write this in your note. Okay, thank you.